Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Sheet. And in this video, I will show you on how to export your Google Sheet file to CSV file without any stress. Let me show you. How. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on File right here. So having click on File, go ahead and click on Download. Then come down below right here and make sure you choose CSV right here. Go ahead and click on that. And this is going to pop up right here, just like what you see right here. Then go ahead and choose your file location. Then you can see the file format here to be Microsoft Excel, separated value, which is also known as CSV. So here we go. Go ahead and come down below right and click on Save right here. And in a few seconds, the file is going to be successfully saved as CSV file, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about how to use your Google Sheet, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you